Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Serge. Today I'm going to make you another Mediterranean Lebanese dish called Lahem Ajin. I'm going to make it the Armenian way, so I hope you will like it. What we need some fresh green onions for my dish today, which I'm taking from my garden. We also need a tomato, so we're going to take this nice tomato. And we're going to add this one to it. We also need some parsley. Don't have much at the moment, but have plenty for my dish. Last but not least, we need some lemon too. So we're going to take them direct from the tree. Now to the ingredients. We have 400 grams of minced beef. I have washed and prepared the vegetable from the garden. Here we have the tomatoes, the onion. I put green onion because it's my grandma's recipe, but you could put normal onion too. I have the lemon, 2 garlic, chili, then parsley is ready. Then here I have salt and pepper. I have sweet pepper and more chili flakes. As you can see, I have everything ready, and now we're going to start chopping some stuff. So everyone has his own technique of chopping. I chop a very bad way, so do not look at me, do not judge me, just enjoy the recipe at the end. We add them to the mincemeat, then we take some onions, we take a little bit of the green stuff away, and now for the garlic. You can chop it, but I'm lazy. I use a garlic presser. It works excellent and gives perfect results without the hassle of chopping fine. When it comes to parsley, I don't like to chop the parsley because I feel it loses a lot of its juice. What I do, I put my parsley always in a cup. I take a scissor. Job done. I will keep the parsley on the side. I usually add it at the end. Now I cut half of the chili. Now squeeze some lemon. We add all the spices. We add some lemon and we mix everything together before adding the parsley. Spices are nice mix. Now we add the parsley. I wish I could put you the smell of the stuff on the camera. Mamma mia! It's all well mixed together. I will put it in the fridge for half an hour and then I will start. The dough I'm using is the same dough I use for the manakish. I will put the ingredients in the description. mincemeat and ingredients are ready. I'm going to put the mincemeat, spread it over here, and then put it in the oven, and let's see the final result. Now we're going to put the mincemeat and then spread it. And now in the oven, and looking forward for the final result. It's going in the oven. And here comes number 2. I love the smell. They are ready to be eaten. Wow, the smell of this. Mamma mia. We're going to squeeze some lemon on it. It smells so delicioso. And now I'm going to cut it and share it with my family and hear the opinion. So, Anastasia, your comment?
Fantastic.
You like it?
All done.
No more? You ate it all? صحتين.